Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CATB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis in the past, so that's where these green line and red line annotations are coming from. So first thing, before anything else, I want to do a little house cleaning here. I'm just going to go ahead and delete this line out of here. Sure, it still pertains to the chart, but it's not really relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion, so I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So first update, though, that needs to be made comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that have watched your videos from the past, maybe you remember me talking about 225 as resistance, but now that the price is above it, you would want to see it act as support. And actually, this is one you could throw right into a textbook because price gapped up. You can see the bears try to press down and surprise, surprise, look right where it bounced at that newest area of support. So 225, like I said, newer area of support. The ideal level of support going forward, I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest would be if the price can stay up above $2.50. But don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $2.50, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But if the price can manage to stay up above it, that would definitely be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of it all, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher and higher. So from a very, overall perspective, as long as the price stays above that purple line as the line itself moves upwards, then the overall trend, the overall health of the price movement is in the bull's favor, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? Key level going into tomorrow and really the remainder of the week is right there at $2.78. Let's just call it $2.80. Yeah, I realize the price did technically go up above it, but when you look right here, you can see directly rejected it. And then after the quick price movement that didn't last very long up above it, price tried again right there and got once again rejected at 280. So 280 I think is more so kind of the truer area of resistance going into tomorrow and really the remainder of the week. But all in all, great solid move, and as long as the price keeps on building higher bases, the overall chart will continue to take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.